Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always.
Yo, what is the deal, good people? It's your boy, your big homie Kicks God, back in the building. You already know it. This is LD Kicks, where we talk nothing but kicks. What makes this sneaker so special? It's special for a couple of reasons. First and foremost, before I go into why and how and the who's about this sneaker, this is not the new release or the release that's coming out later on this month or next month, something like that. This is the 2013 version of the He Got Game Air Jordan 13 black white. This is the sneaker that he won. Okay, I'm gonna say this and be very particular. This is not the sneaker he won the championship, his last championship in. However, this is the sneaker model leading up to his last championship. During that season, or the final championship season, he wore this sneaker. He wore the playoff, the playoff black sneaker version to this sneaker. He wore the white and red version to the sneaker. However, the playoff sneaker ran up until about the finals, and then he transitioned into the Air Jordan 14 last shot. So that's how that worked with this particular sneaker model, again, going into the newer sneaker model. The other side of that coin is this sneaker, and for that year, a Spike Lee joint came out by the name of He Got Game. In this movie, you have Jesus Shuttlesworth, dad. He gets out of jail. He wants to be the cool guy getting out of jail, getting his son, or trying to get up with his son to get his son to go to the school that the warden of the jail wanted him to go to. However, it didn't work in his favor. So in that portion where he decided to go and look cool, his father, that is, whatever, Mr. Shuttlesworth, whatever the case may be, he goes to a local sneaker store in Coney Island. That sneaker store is actually a real store, by the way. It's actually on Mermaid, they may have moved it, but if I'm more than certain, that sneaker is on Mermaid Avenue in Coney Island. So yeah, just a little tidbit. So he purchased these sneakers. He wanted to be the cool guy. How much are those? Yes, I want those. They're Jordans. He actually could play ball, but he just couldn't beat his son. So at any rate, yeah, so that is where this sneaker gets the name He Got Game, because this sneaker was featured in the movie He Got Game. So I guess to just give you a brief synopsis or a brief rundown of the sneaker, again, kind of dirty, white, black, and red on the bottom with that hologram right up in the forefoot or midfoot area. That's the hologram, Jumpman, whatever. Tumble leather on the white portion, kind of looks like a maxi pad. Yeah, you got tumble leather on the toe, right up in there. You got suede on the midfoot or the midsole, and that panther pod or panther pods right along there, and there. And on this side in white, red Jumpman, black suede on the tongue, tumble leather on the top of the tongue, white in the back. And that's pretty much it. I think the new release to this sneaker may feature Nike Air on the midfoot. I haven't seen it yet, so you can't hold me to it. If I can pick them up, I will pick them up. If not, no big deal. Like I said, I have them already, so no big deal with that. I'm not really pressed to get them. If I did not have this sneaker in hand or did not get this sneaker, I probably would get the release for this coming months or this newer release or the 2018 release. However, I already have them, so it is what it is. So listen, if you're digging this video, thumbs up, comment in the comment section below. You already know this is just what we do. And I'm back, baby. It's your boy Kicks God. I'm out of here. Peace.